Hello friends and welcome to Box to Unbox. Before watching the video, subscribe the channel by pressing the subscribe icon and then press the bell icon to get the early notification of the coming new videos. This video is all about unboxing, review, application, negative points and finally the pairing with mobile of XiaoMi Mijia Roborock Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner version 2 that have features like sweep and mop. So let's get started. So let's cut down the straps, tear the tapes, and I think this there must be another box inside it. Okay, so yes, there is another box. Let's quickly tear it down. So here is the main box. Let's open it. So the first thing that we get is a moisture proof mat. Okay, let's keep aside. And so this is the water tank, mopping cloth. Okay, user manual. I think it must be in Chinese language. Let's see. Okay, so no, it's in English and no Chinese language is used over here. That's a good thing. I think the version 1 have only the Chinese language in it, nothing more. So here is our main unit, which weighs nearly 3.5 kg. So keep aside the charging dock and another box, extra filter, power cable, and that's it. So let's take a review of all the components. So here is the main unit. Let's open it. The first thing that we'll find is a user guide how to remove and install the filters. So this is the dust box having a capacity of 0.48 liters, the main filter. So let's take it out. Okay, so here is the main filter assembled with packings, which is washable. That's a good thing, is that the second version is having a washable filter. So let's see what are the things at the bottom. The first thing that we note is the side brush, 4 clip sensors, omnidirectional wheel. So the rolling brush cover have an average life of 1 year. The main rolling brush that used to rotate at around 1315 rpm and an average life of 3 to 6 months, depends upon the uses. So let's quickly place it back. And the cover. So the suspended dry wheels that can climb an obstacle of around 0.78 inches. A 5200 milliampere battery is fitted under the hood that can work for around 2.5 hours and have a capacity of cleaning 250 square meters. So let's turn the machine. I think we need to press it for a long. Not working. So okay, no, let's. Okay, so now it started for the first time. Okay, so my machine is a bit noisy. I must say that it's a noisy machine. You can feel a vacuum cleaner is working around you. So let's overview the swiping attachment. Here is the main water tank that has to be filled with the water, and remember to use RO water or a DM water so it will not corrode the filters. So here you need to fill the water and the main mop. One extra mop is also supplied with the unit. You can take it out and wash it, then replace it back. These are the two small filters. You will also get some 4 filters extra with this unit. Here are the filters. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, here are the small filters. they have not mentioned what is the life of the filter. If you find that the swiping system is not working well, just replace them. So let's see how to place the this swiping tank. Just push it, it will be mounted, and then push it back from the two corners. You can take it out. So let's overview the charging dock. Here is the main dock having capacity of 58 watt. Some general information given at the back. Nice cushions. Okay, so let's mount the moisture proof mat. Let's have some supports to make it sturdy. Okay, so let's place the unit on the dock and it will charge. I'll also show you how the machine it automatically detect the charging dock and start charging. So now the machine is in action. I have put some stop struggle to see how it's work. The first trial I'm taking under the bed to see how it's clean and reaches the places where it is difficult to reach. So the robot is in action. The empty bottle is of no use. It's not an obstacle for it. It used to push it, and I have put it in a dustbin. Let's see when it will go over there. Please note, I am fast forwarding this video, so the actual speed is not so fast. So let's see how efficiently this robot works. Let me take out the dustbin. Really surprising to see what all it have been collected. I have been assuming my room to be a super clean, but the results are really shocking. Let's take some more tough tests. I have spreaded some lentils and pressed rice. Let's see how efficiently it works and collected. It will follow its own path. It's just measure the corners and then make a area or a map and then started cleaning. So not a single centimeter is left uncleaned. Please note it's not the actual speed. I am fast forwarding the video to shorten the length. So all done. So let's start the mopping task for the same area. We will check how efficiently it works later on. So now the mopping is going on and you can see some glossy finish at the back. This is by the mopping. So let's see the results. Firstly, we will take out the mopping attachment. So here it's the dirty cloth. We can wash it, and I think it has done its work. So let's see what are the things that are collected in the dustbin. Quickly remove it. So all the pulses and the lentils, puff rice are there. Now let's overview the auto docking system. All you need to press the dock button. It will automatically search the charging dock and move ahead. Now it will try to accumulate the right place for a perfect docking. After perfect docking, you will also get a notification regarding charging. It will take 2 to 3 times to get perfectly aligned. So all done. To connect the machine to Mi app, press the charging button and the spot cleaning button simultaneously. That will reset the Wi-Fi. Now connect your mobile to the Wi-Fi network and open the Mi app and start searching. Here I am using an iPhone, so I have just selected it. It will start connecting the internet through iPhone and also connect the Mi vacuum cleaner. It will take some time. Okay, so all done, and now you can see the connected robot. Here is the map showing how it's worked. Okay, so you can see the profile regarding the cleaning. You can drag and select the area. Okay, so you can pin up. Let's see the various settings available. First, you will get the volume setting, the language setting. There are two languages, English and Chinese. Time, volume settings. You can decrease and increase the volume. The time zone. You can even use it manually and rotate it in the desired position. So there are numerous functions that you can get. You can also get a quick start guide and how to use the robot. Now some negative point. Though the vacuum cleaner works well, the corner like this will always be unapproachable. You can see the extreme corner is still unapproachable due to the circular design. The places like this and this are to be cleaned manually. The product is gem for the persons with not much furniture as obstacle or the one living in the studio apartment. Considering the cost, the payback time will be at least 2 to 3 years, so purchase wisely. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.